What is the use of pass statement in Python? The pass statement in Python is a null operation. It is used as a placeholder when a statement is required syntactically but no code is needed to be executed. That is, it is a way to tell Python to do nothing. In Python, every code block, example a function, a loop, and if-else statement must contain at least one executable statement. However, there are many situations where you don't want to write any code yet, but you need to create a code block for organizational purpose as a placeholder. In such cases, you can use pass statement to avoid a syntax error. Here is an example of how pass statement can be used. Def my function. Inside my function, you have pass statement. In the above example, we have defined a function, my function, but haven't implemented it yet. By using the pass statement, we have satisfied the requirement that the function body should contain at least one statement, even though we haven't written any code yet. The pass statement can also be used in other situations, such as empty loops or if else statement that don't require any action.